emotionally ties. Only when everyone is gathered does Eunice explain. As of now, the Suez Canal is back in tonight. The canal will be run for the benefit of Egypt and her people. His rousing final words are drowned.
That is a dirty little bastard!
Sensor like this is a lot of natural bokeh. To be fair, Samsung's main sensor is pretty huge too, and can also give you a nice natural depth of field. But the Find X6 Pro takes things to the next level, shooting things like still life, making portraits outside of the dedicated portrait.
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yob, or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker.
But when you get closer to home, you're better off in the right-hand lane if you've got all the traffic coming onto the Ipswich motorway going home from the suburbs. You're on a friggin' stop sign.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Let me repeat it. Fuck yourself.
Eligible applicants. Search Bendigo Bank Home Buyer Fund and come home to a better loan. Bendigo Bank, the better big bank. Lending criteria, terms, conditions, fees and charges apply and are subject to change.
See that sign on the left? See that? Seen that sign back there, buddy? You've seen that sign. That's what happens. That's what happens.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
No, is your fucking problem? No. Now where the fucking pull your fucking finger at me? I didn't pull a finger at you. Hold on, I'll call the police on you.
What an asshole.
Mate, mate, what the fuck?
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
It's a no right turn.
$100 million. I love great brands
Oh
and
my
great people.
gosh, man.
Working with Espresso.
Jesus, mate. Fucking off-road it. You need to exit now. Get out of the way, man. Oh, fucking
Shit, that was close.
That somewhere around 11,800 years ago, civilization was essentially all but wiped out by comet impacts. And that is the reason why they keep finding it's everywhere out there. I love it. Have you seen? Oh, the woman. Have you seen the piece that she made of you? This Melania Blackman. Have you seen that drawing that she did?
hell, mate. Don't even move.
Yeah, I mean, I could, you know, this could be.
Is this gonna fucking take long, mate, or what? What are we doing here?
Recording.
The fact that Zuck's interested in it too. I like the fact that he trains so much.
Yeah, I mean, there aren't very many ways to actually, if you stick to the rules of jiu-jitsu, like, for example, if you want to put someone in an armlock, you have to be able to.
He's probably in Hawaii.
According to a spokesman, he was traveling.
Oh, yeah. It would have been wild if he was there.
Which way you
Well,
going, fella?
literally, like anytime. I just thought it was funny to go like.
Motherfucker. These wankers. Time you want to get off the fucking road. Yeah, she called me as well. Wants to have a chat and do some stuff, so look, we'll see what comes of that. I'm sure it's good to have those sort of people in your pocket. This guy's on the wrong side of the road.
This old bloke's gonna go nice up. Look at that.
Bloody hell. Dogs on the road.
There's an old saying, fortune favors the bold,
punch this. There he goes. Give it, mate. Get it. Jesus. Little bit defiant. What are we doing here?
Recording.
Fucking hell, man. The earth doesn't end at the end of the fucking road. Drive up here, do a U-turn, and fucking come back and have another crack at the whip because you're too incompetent to fucking drive.
Good answer. I like the way you think. I'm gonna be watching you.
Hey. We'll see what happens. Slippery as, mate.
I see nothing. I was not here. I did not even get up this morning.
Oh, fuck, how red's that, mate? Jeez.
Recording.
Making it look grey and unnatural, and there's none of that from the Oppo camera. And in extreme low light, the Find It.
Not every day you see a tractor on the road.